So, hey there, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can quickly and easily clean up your Gmail inbox even if you have thousands of unread emails. If you have ever felt stressed by a messy inbox, trust me, you are not only one. Because I once had over 18,000 emails piling up, and even if you are not actively sorting through them, just seeing that number can feel overwhelming. Let's turn Gmail back into the simple, efficient tool it is meant to be. But before we continue, make sure to check the link in the description box or on the in comment. So now let's get started. First, let's talk about a basic manual method you can use. You have to go to your Gmail account. If you are on a PC, you can browse through it, and if you are on phone or iPhone, Gmail should be on your phone automatically. Okay. Now, click select all at the top of Gmail. Here you can see this option. This is the select all option. Just simply tap onto it, and now tap onto delete to move emails to the trash. Now you can tap onto delete like that, or you can just simply click on this and right click on your mouse, then tap onto delete. And here we go, all the emails from here are now in the trash box. As you can see, they are in the trash box. And or for a more targeted approach, let me show you. First, let me back up them again in order to show you perfectly. So now let's move forward to the next step, like how you can do it. Click the three dot icon at the top of Gmail. Here we can see this option, and from there you can tap onto this as mark as already or not. So you can also choose filter messages like this, like tap onto this option, choose a filter message, create a filter by date, sender or subject. Like you can choose them from the date or size greater than or less than MB, KB or bytes. You can find their duration, like from the I like to choose emails from the last 1 month which are on my account. Now tap onto search. If you want any attachment like has attachment or don't include chats, you can choose them, and if you don't, then uncheck them and all the emails will be appeared from the last 1 month. Now tap onto this blue icon called search, tap onto this. So here's the thing, when you have tens of thousands of emails, manually selecting and deleting them can be extremely tedious. From here you can delete them, but they're little bit difficult. That's where email cleanup tools come in to help automate the process. So one tool I will highly recommend is that SaneBox. This is a highly recommended Gmail automation tool. SaneBox helps automatically sort important emails, move junk and newsletters out of your inbox, and then set up reminders and deep cleaning. So let me show here's how to get started. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and search for SaneBox. And if you're on your PC, I mean on your phone or iPhone, you can simply search on the Google Play Store or App Store by searching the name SaneBox, and you will find a app with this logo. Tap onto this. Then here we can see this option called try it now for free. But before we jump in, let's look at its pricing. So let's go. So here you can see the barely SaneBox offers here. The first one is Snack Basic Email Sanity, which is around $2.04. This is monthly paid barely. So you can tap to get started with this, but I would not recommend this one. I would like to choose this one, the most popular one, as most people use this. So let's look at its feature. It has 2 email accounts to work with, 6 SaneBox features, and email chat support. And here there is another offer, which is dinner offer for power email users. It is around $10, almost $10. It can handle 4 email accounts, all inbox features, email chat and phone supports. So let's see what is included in it. Let's look after the lunch one. It includes around email deep clean, email organize, daily digest, iOS apps. That's pretty much good. There's also other offers there, services they offer. So there's annually more offers, also monthly offers here you can see. So you can just choose your perfect offers. Now let's move forward to the steps. You just have to simply tap on to try it now for free. Then you have to continue with your Google account, or you simply can enter your email account to continue with. Then tap tap your Gmail account and then tap continue. And here you
Welcome
go.
to St.
And then tap continue, then tap this icon multiple times and tap onto yes, it is turned on, and then tap enable and it will be added to your Gmail account. This is so simple, so don't make any mistakes to turn it on. Now tap onto yes, turn it on, like if you want to block annoying emails, okay, then tap to yes, turn it on, and it will be turned on after clicking on enable. Tap onto enable and then tap this icon and then tap onto enable folders, and that's pretty much it, and you are good to go. Now you have to enter DIY folder name. I'm gonna just enter a random folder name and then tap create, then go forward, and this is nicely done. Now it is asking if you want your inbox to be the perfect to-do list. So if you want, you can turn it on. For me, I'm gonna tap on to maybe later, as I don't want to right now. Then tap done. Now you can see these options like the services, inbox offers, digest, do not disturb, reminders, no replies, training, and filters. You can just play around with them and check out all the services easily. So this is pretty much it. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick tech tips. If you have any questions or want me to review other inbox management tools, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you, and again, thanks for watching. I will see you next time on another videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye.